Is it now?
Me.
Your turn? Okay,
Yes,
Graham. Now it's
Mom.
Linus's turn.
Huh? Not my turn, Mom. Graham.
Oops.
Uh-oh, Graham. He's having a hard time getting it on there. I saw some stuff squirt out.
I will do, and you hold it.
Oh, okay.
You're going to spin it?
I'm going to, Mommy.
Are you going to spin it?
Look what.
This is the Polish way of making lemonade.
Mommy, this is a lot of work, Mommy.
It is a lot of work.
It's like putting in a light bulb. One person to hold the light bulb and 4 people to turn the ladder.
Our work is not done yet.
Your work is not done yet?
Mommy, can I put that in your...
You need another one?
Yeah.
You want to roll it? Oh! It didn't break. Here, go ahead and roll it.
Mommy, you have to cut it. You have to cut it, Mommy.
You have to roll it first, then I'll cut it.
Roll it first.
Roll it first.
I'm rolling it, Mommy. Now cut it.
Okay. Cut it, please, Mommy.
Cut it, please, Mommy.
It's hard to cut it with one hand. Now taste it to make sure it's okay.
It's sour.
Okay.
Very sour, huh? Put it down.
You taste it, Mommy.
That's okay.
Here, you put it
Taste
down.
it, Graham.
Sour. Ooh.
What are we making, Linus?
We're making lemonade.
When life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Okay. Alright, I'll hold it. We're making Polish lemonade.
He just sits it there and it turns it.
Mommy, this is a lot of work, Mommy.
It's a lot of work, but you know what? Anything that's really good is usually a lot of work. And you're a very hard
Ready
worker.
to taste it after we put tons of
And
sugar
we
in
put sugar in it.
Sugar?
And you love sugar.
Mommy, I'm going to do the next one.
Okay.
Oh, I think this is overflowing. We got to empty this.
Uh-oh,
It's
it
overflowing.
is. Look at all the seeds.
We
Okay,
have to
we'll get
put
a
it into
container.
I'm going to taste it, Mommy.
And how's it going to taste?
We have a container in here.
Yes,
We
there's
have
a pitcher.
It's a yummy, Mommy.